Find angle M below. Now, one thing you need to note in this circle geometry question is that this line RP is a straight line. Line RP is one straight line. So if this line is a straight line, then you agree with me that this one joining it now makes it a quadrilateral. It makes this figure a quadrilateral. So OSPQ is a quadrilateral. So with that, we need to find one angle that is missing in the quadrilateral. Now, don't forget, when you have a radius line, because this line from the center of the circle to this tangent is a radius. So from this to this circumference is a radius line. So anytime you have a radius line meeting a tangent, don't forget this one is a tangent, an external line touching the circle. So when you have a radius line touching a circle, a tangent, then you should know that the radius and the tangent are perpendicular. Don't take note of that circle theorem. That where the radius of a line meets a tangent is 90 degrees. So that means this angle here is 90 degrees. Don't forget that important theorem. Then we can also find this angle here. Don't forget this is a straight line. This is a straight line. So if this is 15 degrees, that means sum of angle on a straight line is 180. So if this is 15 degrees, so to get this angle here, we have to say 180 minus 15, and that will give us 165. So this angle here is 165 degrees. So we now have three angles inside the quadrilateral. So we can now find the third angle. Let's call this third angle, the fourth angle. We can now find this fourth angle. Let's call it angle X. And then from there, you agree with me that X plus 165 plus 31 plus 90, all the angles in the quadrilateral will give us 360. Don't forget, sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So from there, I can simply say X will be equal to this 360. I write it here. Then 165 plus 31 plus 90 is going to give us 286. So when the 286 comes to this side, it becomes minus, because here it is positive 286. When it comes to this side, it becomes minus 286. And that will give us the value of angle X as 360 minus 286 will give us 74 degrees. So that means this angle at the center here is 74 degrees. Now you agree with me that using these points S and Q, I have these two lines forming this X degree at the center. With the same point S and Q, I have another two lines going to the circumference here to form this angle here. So now with that, you agree with me that angle at the center is twice that at the circumference. So twice this angle will give us X, which is 74. So in order to get this angle here, we have to say 74 divided by 2. So 74 divided by 2 is going to give us 37 degrees. So this angle at the circumference is 37. So that twice angle at the circumference, 2 times 37, will give us 74, which is angle at the center. Don't forget, twice angle at the circumference is equal to angle at the center. So when you divide angle at the center by 2, it gives you angle at the circumference. And that's what we did here. So 74 divided by 2 will give us 37 degrees. Now the shortcut, the short method. The short method, when you have an angle at the circumference here, and you have two angles here at this elbow point, this edge is here, what you just need to know is that the sum of these two angles will give us 37. So I simply say M plus 15 is equal to 37. You might be wondering, what rule will you say here? You just simply say sum of adjacent base angles of two isosceles triangles. Sum of adjacent base angles of two isosceles triangle. Why? Because this 15 and M here, when you trace a straight line to this point, the two of them will later become the adjacent angles here. So here will be M as an isosceles triangle, and here will also be 15 as an isosceles triangle. Base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. So don't forget, if you have checked my other video, you will see the short method that this plus this is going to give us this angle at the circumference. And then from there, I'll just move on to say M is equal to 37 minus 15. And 37 minus 15 is going to give us 22 degrees as our final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.